Hello, I'm Dr. Iris Cohen-Feinberg, and welcome. I'm the chair of the research sequence. I'm an associate professor in school, and my areas of interest and work are oncology and palliative care. I'm always delighted to talk to students who are interested in those areas or just want to learn more about them. Looking forward to having you with us.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Dr. Ijoma Opara, and I'm an assistant professor, and I teach in the Families, Youth, and Specialization to Adulthood sequence. My research interest focuses on HIV and substance use prevention amongst adolescents, and also looking at racial and gender-specific prevention interventions for Black girls. I'm always looking for students. So if you are interested in learning about research, doing research with me, please feel free to reach out. I wish I could see you all in person, but I'm sure we will all run into each other either in the classroom or when things get back to normal. Hope you enjoy this experience.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Peabody, and I teach in the master's program. First of all, I want to welcome you all to the School of Social Welfare. It's really cool that you've decided to pursue becoming a social worker and joining the profession, and all of us here in the School of Social Welfare who are committed to making the world a better place. As part of my work, I work in the community, working on my town's anti-bias task force, the Suffolk County Human Rights Commission. I'm working with 4 Native American tribes in Suffolk to make sure that every Native American is counted in the census, which is an important thing. So everyone needs to make sure that you've also filled out the census. And I'm also working on criminal justice reform. Here at the school, I teach policy in the first year of the MSW program, and I'm the chair of the Community Policy and Political Social Action Specialization in the advanced year. We call it CAPSA. So if you're interested in working on the big picture, helping to work with communities and advocate for legislative change, work with elected officials, run for office in order to change some of the policies that make so many of the problems that people are affected by, find me, text me, call me, email me, we'll talk about it. And again, congratulations for getting into the school and for joining an amazing profession. And I look forward to working with all of you to make the world a better place.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Morris. I teach social policy, and welcome to the School of Social Welfare at Stony Brook. It's really excited to have you, to meet you all in class. As I said, I teach in the social policy class, but my research is mainly disability policy, poverty, homelessness, loneliness. These are the issues that really get me motivated and energized and committed to educating you and getting your passion for social justice and social policy in this program. So please feel free to reach out to me if you share my interest, my passion, and I'm here. And welcome.
Hi, welcome to the School of Social Welfare. I'm Anna Hayward. I teach in the MSW program. In the first year, I teach Human Behavior in the Social Environment, HBSE. And I teach in the FIT sequence in the second year, which is our Families, Youth, and Transitions to Adulthood sequence. I have 2 areas of research, one around father involvement, especially in developing interventions and services that engage fathers to strengthen families. And my other area of research is environmental justice. So I look forward to meeting all of you one day in class or in person.
Hello, I'm Frances Brisbane, a professor and former dean of the School of Social Welfare, and I'm also the vice president for the Health Sciences Workforce Diversity. I wish to welcome you to the school where I have been close to 50 years. I've enjoyed every day, every year, and I know you will too. My area is practice, and I teach courses in cultural competency, trauma, childhood trauma, substance abuse, and leadership. I can't wait to meet you on the grounds of this university campus. But until then, again, welcome, and thanks for your making the wonderful decision to attend Stony Brook University School of Social Welfare. I can guarantee you'll not regret it. Thank you very, very much for choosing us.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. My name is Professor Marvin Colson, and I've been with the School of Social Welfare since 2006. My areas of interest and concentration has been administrating programs for people with developmental disabilities. I teach policy and analysis classes as well as contemporary social justice. I am a lifelong advocate and freedom fighter for civil rights ever since I can remember, and I'm always seeking new recruits. I'm also the faculty advisor for the Stony Brook University NAACP College Chapter, and I'm the co-chair for the School of Social Welfare's Equity, Inclusion, and Diversity Committee. And also, I'm a veteran, so I'm looking for any of you who are veterans. Please reach out to contact me, and I'll make sure I refer you to the proper resources to help give you a smoother ride. I welcome all of you. I'm proud of you. Hopefully, I'll be able to meet you in person. And thank you for making the choice of attending Stony Brook University School of Social Welfare. Thank you. Welcome.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kathleen Monahan. I'm Associate Professor in the School of Social Welfare. I'm the Chair of Psychopathology and Psychopharmacology, and I give some guidance on the trauma courses. My research is surrounding the traumatic brain injury and non-fatal strangulation in the population that experience intimate partner violence. And I also do some work around interprofessional education. I welcome you to the school. I know you're going to love your experience here. And as has been echoed by many people, I can't wait to get to meet you on the ground. Welcome.
Hi, everyone. I'm George Leibowitz, professor in the School of Social Welfare at Stony Brook University. We are delighted that you've joined us as the new cohort for the fall 2020 semester. Perhaps you've heard this, that there is no greater time now for social workers to enter the workforce during a time of crisis, the pandemic, and a confluence of a number of social issues that are incredibly important for social workers to be trained in and to take part in. I am delighted to have you consider learning about all kinds of things that are related to that in terms of health, social determinants of health, issues facing youth and families, and so on during this time of unrest. I am chair of the Integrated Health Specialization for the school. I'm also director of the doctoral program. My research interests include forensic social work and the intersection of the importance of understanding disparities in the criminal justice system, and also the intersection of mental health and things related to the pandemic, for example. I have a long history of clinical social work practice and teach courses in motivational interviewing and cognitive behavioral therapy, as well as interest in the broader issues that impact policy in healthcare and mental health.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the School of Social Welfare. My name is Sana Malik, and I'm a faculty member here. I teach in the first year policy sequence and also teach an elective on adolescent development and health promotion. My research area largely falls under the umbrella of health disparities in minority communities, with a focus on immigrants and refugees as well. So if anyone is interested in that area, I'd love to speak to you about it further or determine if there's opportunities for involvement. I also look forward to meeting many of you in classes and other programming, and my virtual door is always open and love to speak to you all further. I wish you the very best of luck in this program, and I wish you luck as you become change makers working towards the field of social justice, which is an area of tremendous need now, and I'm sure will continue to be in the future.
Hello and welcome to the School of Social Welfare. My name is Melissa Saha. I'm a professor as well as chair of the Families, Youth, and Transition to Adulthood Specialization, also known as the FIT specialization. I teach within the human behavior courses in the first year, as well as FIT specialization courses and an elective course on social work and higher education. So all my research and practice and teaching all center on the mental health and well-being during a transition to adulthood, hence the classes that I teach. So looking really at the scope, mental health and well-being during adolescence to adulthood, young adulthood, focusing predominantly on marginalized populations, mental health disparities, and promotion of higher education equity. So if any of you are interested in collaborating on research, anything from literature reviews or participation in data collection, feel free to email me. And I look forward to joining you in your social work journeys.
Hi, everyone. My name is Amy Hammock, and I am a faculty member here in the School of Social Welfare and in the program in public health. And I welcome all of you to the School of Social Welfare and to this journey you're beginning to get your MSW degree. I teach in the integrated health specialization. I teach a policy class in the last semester of the integrated health specialization that goes into health policy and all the implications for the work that we do as social workers in health. I also am the director of the MSW MPH dual degree, which basically is a program in which you can get your MSW and your MPH degree in 3 years instead of the 4 that it would take if you were doing them back to back. If you're interested in that, please come see me, and I will talk to you about how you're able to apply. My research interests are in intimate partner violence prevention and intervention at the community level, and I'm always interested in working with students on those issues. So again, if you're interested in that, please contact me as well. I wish you all the best as you start on this great journey. Welcome.
Hello, and welcome to the School of Social Welfare. My name is Michelle Ballin, and I'm the Associate Dean of Research and a professor at the School of Social Welfare. I'm also the Sequence Chair for Practice, which will be one of the first classes that you take at our school. I'm excited to welcome you all, to meet you in person, and to see you online as we embark on this new journey together.
Hello, my name is Stephen Rubino, and I am the Policy Sequence Chair. I teach in both the undergraduate and graduate program and wanted to welcome you to the School of Social Welfare. This is a very exciting time, as we all know, and it's a wonderful time to be able to have some difficult conversations, to be authentic, challenging, and inspiring. Thank you so much for agreeing to come to the School of Social Welfare. I welcome you and look forward to interacting with you as the years go on.